In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make stories, tasks, and bugs in Jira. If you're working in Jira and need to create a new issue, the process is very straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create 3 common work types: stories, tasks, and bugs. These issue types help teams organize work clearly, whether you're tracking a feature, a general action item, or a problem that needs fixing. To begin, go to your Jira board or backlog and click on Create. This opens the issue creation window, where all the main details for your new item will be entered. This is the starting point for adding any new work into the project. Once the form appears, click on the work type field. This is where you choose what kind of issue you want to create. After opening the dropdown, select the option that best fits the work you're logging: story, bug, or task. A story is typically used for user-focused features or functionality. A task is useful for general work that needs to be completed, and a bug is used when you're reporting something that is broken or not working as expected. After selecting the work type, enter the summary. The summary should be short but clear, because this is the title people will see first when browsing the backlog, board, or search results. Try to make it descriptive enough that your teammates can understand the issue at a glance. Next, enter the description. This is where you provide more context about the work. For a story, you might explain the user need or expected outcome. For a task, you can describe what needs to be done. For a bug, it helps to include what is happening, what should happen instead, and any details that make the issue easier to understand. A good description saves time and reduces back and forth later. From there, enter any other information required or helpful for your team. Depending on your Jira setup, this could include fields such as priority, assignee, labels, epic link, due date, or sprint-related details. Filling in these fields carefully can make the issue easier to sort, track, and plan. Once everything looks correct, click on Create to finish. Jira will then generate the new story, task, or bug and add it to your project. That's all it takes. By choosing the right work type, writing a clear summary, adding a useful description, and completing the extra details, you can create Jira issues that are easy for your whole team to understand and act on.